What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to prove this trig identity. I have 1 over cosine theta minus tan theta times sine theta. I have 1 over cosine theta, I start from the left hand side. Tan theta is sine theta over cosine theta times sine theta, which is going to be sine squared theta divided by cosine. So then the denominators are the same, so I just write it like that, and we have 1 minus sine squared theta. We know 1 minus sine squared theta is cosine squared theta, because cosine squared plus sine squared is always equals to 1. So cosine squared theta divided by cosine theta, it will be just cosine theta. So that's as proven. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.